Hello everyone. Today we will see muscles of the arm region. So arm region is from shoulder to elbow joint. It has two compartments, anterior compartment and posterior compartment. Anterior compartment is this and posterior compartment is this one. Anterior compartment has three muscles in it. First one is coracobrachialis, second one is biceps brachii and third one is brachialis. So in this way, the arm region is organized with two compartments and four muscles. The very first muscle of the anterior arm region is biceps brachii. The word biceps stands for two heads, means it has two origins. The first one is long head. It comes from the supraglenoid tubercle of scapula. The second one is the short head, which comes from the coracoid process of scapula. Insertion. Insertion is on the radial tuberosity. Nerve supply. Nerve supply is musculocutaneous nerve.
Second, coracobrachialis muscle. It has origin at the apex of coracoid process of scapula. Its insertion is on medial side of humerus at mid shaft. Flexion arm forwardly. Adducts arm. Nerve supply. Nerve supply is musculocutaneous nerve C5 to C7.
Third is the brachialis. Its origin is at the interior surface of the lower end of humerus and is interrelated to the intramuscular septum. Its insertion is at interior surface of the choroidal process of the ulnar tuberosity. Its action is the flexion of forearm. Nerve supply, musculocutaneous nerve and radial nerve.
Fourth is triceps brachii. It is having three origins: long head, medial head and lateral head. The long head, it is present at the infraglenoid tubercle of the scapula. The medial head, it is present at the posterior medial surface of the humerus inferiorly, and the lateral head, it is present on the linear oblique ridge on the posterior surface of the humeral shaft. Insertion, it is present at the olecranon process on the ulna superiorly. Action, it flexes the arm and adducts the arm. Next is nerve supply, that is the radial nerve which is